Okay, everyone, good morning. It is Friday, about 10 minutes before 9, and I do have to apologize. I neglected to talk about the core CPI number, which came out at 8:30 a.m. It's a very important announcement. As you can see, it came out, and it was bullish for the British pound, not necessarily for the U.S. dollar. So you can see that the market did spike up. It did did manage to push through my entry that I was looking for last night. But you've got to consider also that there are three more announcements which may influence price action. You've got Treasury International Capital coming out at 9. 9:15 is industrial production, and then consumer sentiment at 10. So there are a bunch of announcements coming out in the next few, up to about 10 o'clock. So watch out for those. I still believe that the market, if it does manage to keep this momentum going, is coming up here at about 97.40. This 97.30 level, though, is resistance for the market. It has been for quite a while. We'll just have to see how the market reacts through it. Of course, there's no way that anybody can accurately predict that kind of thing. But as you can see, the market is steadily pushing up through the level. Let's go all the way down to the 15-minute bar here. You can see that we've got one 15-minute bar. This was actually the 15-minute bar where the core CPI did come out. And as you can see, the momentum hasn't dried up that much. There was a bit of a retracement here, but at this point, the market is still strongly moving up. We just have to wait to see what happens as far as the next few minutes. And as I said, you can see here it's pushing up strongly, and as the market breaks through this resistance level, you're going to see another burst of momentum. That's just typically how the market works, and this is why I figured that the market would get up here to about the 97.40 level. But again, if you haven't established a position already, I really feel because of the economic announcements coming out that you're going to have to step aside. Again, at 9 a.m., International Capital, Treasury International Capital, or the U.S. TIC, 9:15, you've got U.S. industrial production month over month, and then at 10 a.m., U.S. consumer sentiment. But here, we can see the trade is working, pushing up here to 97.30, 97.32. Getting very close to this initial target of 97.40. Of course, we'll just have to see what happens over the next few minutes. As in 10 minutes, we've got the Treasury International Capital coming out. So just keep your eye on what's going on. If you're in a position, if you're not, my suggestion would be to stand aside and wait for the announcements to pass.